watching Frugal Mommy. My name is Jocelyn. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button down below. Today we are making something very good, steak and cheese vegan egg rolls. Yes, steak and cheese vegan egg rolls. And I'm doing it with my good friend Jacqueline. She isn't vegan, but she wants to become a vegan, so this is a great way to show her.
Hello guys, I'm Jackie, also known as Jones Quality on YouTube. So I'm here with Jocelyn because I eventually do want to go vegan, and she's going to show me some inexpensive ways to do so.
It's going to be very quick, very much inexpensive, save your coin.
Honey.
But it's going to be flavorful, soul food. Well, it's a vegan egg. I mean, okay, so me being from Maryland, when I did eat meat, I used to love to go to the carryout to get a steak and cheese egg roll. And for the past month, I've been craving them. So why not make a vegan version and see what is it hitting on? Is it similar to, you know, your typical steak and cheese egg roll, or does it taste too vegan? Like, we're about to see what it is, because this will be my first time making them too. But I'm pretty confident that this is going to be good.
It's going to be amazing. I'm excited.
I'm ready.
All right, so let's get it.
So these are the ingredients that you will need to make the vegan steak and cheese egg rolls. First, you'll need your peppers of your choice. We chose green and red. Green jackfruit in brine, not in syrup. That is very important to remember. I picked up this vegan black pepper steak package from my local Asian market. I also got my jackfruit from the local Asian market. Those were your seasonings that you needed. Literally not much. Cornstarch. You need vegan cheese, slices as well as shreds. We chose Daiya and Violife as our cheese of choice. If you're a sauce person, go ahead and pick you up some duck sauce. It's vegan. And I also want to do a spicy brown mustard. So the first step is, you know, cutting up your vegetables, onions, peppers, all of that. Cut them up, dice them up. And now you want to take your jackfruit and kind of rip it apart. You can use your hands. It's way easier when you use your hands. It kind of gives it a chicken shred. And that's exactly what you're looking for this. Go ahead and put your vegan butter or oil in the pan and throw in your jackfruit. You're going to be cooking this for about 10 minutes max. And I also went ahead and chopped up my vegan black pepper steak so I could add that to the jackfruit. I only added this because I really wanted to bring out the steak flavor in this dish, because I know how hard it can be to imitate steak. I'm not saying that it's not possible, but most people, when they're trying to make a vegan steak, they're using seitan. I'm not sure if you guys have heard of it, but I'll put a link below of like the definition of seitan. But that's something you have to make. So the vegan pepper steak was so easy for me to just add in there, so I did it. So you add in your liquid smoke. This is very important in vegan cooking. It gives you that flavor that you're missing because you're not using meat. I kind of was heavy on the liquid smoke, I'm not gonna lie. Like, the liquid smoke is really that girl. She brings out the flavor, as well as the instant beef. So I'm gonna let that simmer for a little bit, and now I'm gonna add in my peppers and onions. Stir that a bit, and again, let it simmer. You're gonna add in your your seasonings. Black pepper, we did adobo as well because it had the garlic included. A little heavy on the adobo, but not too much because I wasn't sure how salty the black pepper steak was already, and I didn't want the egg rolls to be overly salty.
Hey guys,
Get some peppers.
we're trying the steak because it's vegan, and we have to make sure it tastes like steak.
Right. So, like, the key to vegan cooking is you don't just want to throw seasonings. You need to taste your food to make sure it's hitting the way you need it to.
That's right, and this is Daiya's. You guys know Daiya's.
What does it taste like? It tastes like steak? Wow.
Hey. It's really bomb. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey.
So right here we are adding the cornstarch to our water. This is our egg wash substitute since we're not using eggs. Literally just pour a little bit in there and stir in your water. Now we're about to get to the fun part, rolling the egg rolls. So you take 2 fingers and you put the egg wash mix on the ends of the egg roll wrap, and boom, you know, you done did the first part. Now is the easy part. You lay down your cheese, your square cheese specifically, and then you take a scoop of your mix, put that in the middle, and then drizzle on, not drizzle, but sprinkle on your vegan cheese. And you can go heavy on it or you can go light. Me personally, because I know what a real steak and cheese egg roll tastes like, even though it's been 10 years since I've literally ate a piece of meat. I know that I wanted a lot of cheese on this, so I was heavy on it. And boom, that's it. You know, we did this process. It took us, literally because it was 2 of us, it took us like 5 minutes to do them all. And it was so easy. Cheese, mix, sprinkle cheese, wrap it up. I'm just gonna let y'all watch this process. Since it's like very simple, you'll hear me soon. Okay, so now we're done. I'm about to plop these in our oil and cook them for 2 to 3 minutes until they get golden brown. You want to watch these egg rolls. Watch them, because they will overcook. We didn't overcook them, luckily, but you know, don't go stepping out, because bitch, they'll be burnt. And boom, vegan steak and cheese egg rolls. Look at that presentation. She is cute. She's giving real steak and cheese. Like, they were so good, y'all. Like, one of the best appetizers I've ever made. Like, I can't wait to make these for my friends in Brooklyn. They're going to eat this up.
This is the first time we're trying this. Daiya's gonna join us.
Non-vegan.
Non-vegan.
She knows what vegan food tastes like.
Yes.
But
non-vegan still.
okay. Everybody, let's go. Oh, this.
Oh, it's dripping.
Wow.
Ooh. What am I gonna dip it actually?
Oh my god.
I'm gonna pour some duck sauce on it. Oh, friend, she's focusing.
Oh, she did that.
She did.
On the count of 3.
1, 2, 3. Wait a minute. I'm gonna tell you. Y'all know. Y'all know I know food. Please, listen.
You know, when you start moving your feet, should be
this is the perfect texture. I'm dripping. It tastes just like steak.
I got me a little spicy mustard, because what?
The same kind of texture.
That's my business. My business.
Her spicy mustard, and I have my duck sauce, honey, because I like it to be saucy. Little duck quacking at me. Quack a quack.
Duck sauce is vegan. It's just plum sauce.
Duck sauce is plum sauce.
This is really good, guys.
This is bomb! It's so good, and it's so filling already.
It's like fall off the bone. It's like
literally
everywhere.
So I hope that you guys enjoyed this quality vegan meal on this quality channel, and I hope that you guys go and subscribe to my friend Jocelyn's channel.
More vegan recipes for the low. Follow me, I'm your girl.
Follow her.
This is really good. I mean, it doesn't get better than something that is satisfying, but you don't feel that bad because no animals were involved.
Yeah, no animals were involved. That's right. So please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. And if you guys want more collab videos with me and Jocelyn, comment down below, like it up, and just let us know in our DMs. We love to share and give some more tips.
Wow, that was so good.
Yeah, so good. All right, guys. Until next